This is the weed whacker lawn mower. It comes with two wood blades. You can see that one and this one. These are for cutting very big branches. Then it comes with some other blades. These are now for smaller branches. If you want to cut long grass, you can use these blades. It comes with a pair each, so that you can get one as a spare. Then there are these grass blades for cutting short lawn grass. There's also these ones for also trimming the lawn grass. This one you get 10 pieces. This one you get 8 pieces for this. This is the charger. Then the battery, 48 volts lithium. It comes with 2 of them. These are the wheels. So I'll show you how to use them. Each of the blades I'll demonstrate how to use. So walk with me.